If you're experiencing FPS drops in Overwatch 2, this guide will help you optimize your settings and improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to configure your game for better performance. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Navigate to the settings menu in Overwatch 2. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and effects detail. Set the resolution to match your monitor's native resolution, but consider reducing it if performance does not improve. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. This can significantly enhance performance and stability in games. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Go to Windows settings and adjust for best performance. Disable unnecessary background applications and enable game mode. This prioritizes system resources for gaming, which can help reduce FPS drops. Step 4. Check for overheating. Monitor your system's temperature while gaming. If your CPU or GPU is overheating, it may throttle performance. Clean your hardware, ensure proper ventilation, and consider using cooling pads or additional fans if necessary. Step 5. Test network connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, and check for any network issues. You can also try changing your server region in the game settings to see if it improves performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Overwatch 2. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.